To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below. Welcome back to the detective's office. Today we are going to talk about vowels. What are vowels? Do you remember a couple of lessons back when we talked about consonants and I told you I would tell you about vowels later? We're going to talk about vowels today. These are our vowels: A, E, I, O, and U, and sometimes Y, but we'll talk about that later. Did you know that every single word in our language has A, E, I, O, or U, or Y in it? What? Remember when we were talking about those syllables and they were the vowel sounds? That is what a syllable is. It's these vowels. Now, when a vowel says its sound, we call it its short sound. So let's say the short sound for A, ah, ah. That is the short sound for A. What about the short sound for E? Eh, eh. Can you say it with me? Eh, eh. What is the short sound for I? I, I. Can you say it with me? I, I. What is the short sound for O? Ah, ah. Can you say it with me? Ah, ah. What is the short sound for U? Can you say it with me? Way to go. You're already learning letter sounds. Look at you go. All right, now when a vowel says its name, we call that its long sound. So if I was to say A, that's its name and that's its long sound. Vowels are the only letters that are going to say their names. That's it. All the other letters only say their sounds, but vowels can make two sounds. What? It says color in the number 5 on your detective's office. Almost done with our detective's office lessons. Coloring in number 5. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.